Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where we're going to show you what to do with noodles and this time snacks. And today we've got something from
Japan.
That's right, this is the Zenpop snack box, and we're going to go through everything in here, sample it, and I'll tell you what I think about it. She's going to tell you what she thinks about it, but there's candy, snacks, and a drink, and I think there's a ramen in here. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Ooh. So when you crack open one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to see is one of these pamphlets, and it's got a little bit of information about the pamphlets or the boxes that they have and what might be in them, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And on the other side, you will find a QR code and a link. They both go to the same place, but when you use that, you'll find out about everything that's in the box, what it's called, all that stuff. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to show you everything and give it a try. All right, we'll start out with the ramen that's in the Summertime Snacks August 2023 box. This is from Yamadai, also known as New Touch. This is Sugamen Wakayama Chuka Soba, and yeah, I believe Chuka Soba is kind of like, they mentioned that this is one that sumo wrestlers enjoy. Yeah, so I've had a few Chuka Soba varieties that I've liked, so yeah, hopefully this will be one. This looks super fancy, so yeah, cool. Oh, and Mimi wants to tell you something.
I have different earrings in.
She has different earrings. And we're going to start with this drink. This is from Sangaria. This is Subumi Orange. And it's indeed orange looking. So we will... Look at that. It didn't explode. It's been in the fridge. Give it a try.
Delicious.
You like that one?
Yeah, I love it.
Interesting. I'm getting pear out of that too. And pulpiness. Is that really orange?
Yeah, for me it looks like orange.
That's pretty good. I would drink that as a refreshing beverage in the summer. I'd give that a 5. What would you?
A 5 too.
The little bits in there are weird. All right, now on to the snacks and candy. From Kokaya, we have Pride Potato Japan Kobe beef. It's a prideful potato. I don't know what makes it a pride potato. Oh, it says Japan is a nation of proud culture and tradition. The pride in the heritage drives Kokaya, a business rich in history, in our mission to deliver the most delectable flavors to you. And they appear to be potato chips, beef potato chips, huh? Very sick. It tastes like beef and potatoes. It tastes like stew. What do you think of that? You know, 1 to 5, or 0 to 5 stars. 5? Yeah? Yeah, those are decent. I'll give them a 5. All right, from Fujiya, we have Palette Hyugunatsu Cheesecake. And this is really big. Look at that. There's a lot of stuff going on in here, so let's...
Yeah, there might be a lot.
Yeah. Oh, they're little pieces. Cheers. Kind of lemony. It does have lemons on it. It's an interesting texture.
Yeah.
That's good. I'll give it a 4.
I'll give it a 5.
You like that one? Cool.
A lot.
Next up from Kawaguchi Seka, we have Mikan-chan. He's got a little face on him. And he's full of...
Face candy.
Face candy.
Face candy. Yeah.
What color is that one?
Orange.
What color is that one?
Orange. All of them are actually orange.
Oh, okay. Well, let's give them a try.
Yeah. Let's give them a try.
Yeah, they look like weird little berries.
Yeah, kind of.
Cheers. What do you think? You gotta chew it up. It is pretty big though, huh?
Yeah.
It's good. It's just like it's almost like an orange flavored lollipop hard candy thing.
Oh yeah, I've had that from that little nail salon place.
Oh, nail salon. Hoity toity.
Yeah, but it was peach flavored.
I gotcha.
And it was just like a little,
Doo-doo.
not like one of these.
Yeah, these are big.
Yeah. It was like a little donut hole.
Gotcha. Those are good lollipops. Yeah. Well, what do you think? What's your score?
It's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
And I give it a 5 because I have already tried it one.
You did?
Yeah.
These are
but
different.
It was peach flavored.
But it was the same exact thing?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at me. You got one on me. I'll give that a 5. I like little hard candies, and these are decent. All right, next up from Cisco, we have Coconut Sable Mini Supai Ano Kori no Aji. And to me, that just means a whole lot of, I just want to try it and see if it's any good. So here's a close-up of the packaging. Let's see what we got in there. Cheers. Is that like a lemon over? You have poo-poo face. You're like, I just ate something gross. 5 stars for you? No. No. That was a shocker, man. It was just like I took a. I mean, look. It looks just like, oh, it's a happy little candy snack biscuit thing. No, that like smacks you in the face. Like first off, I'm gonna give that a 5. Just I don't know though. That was weird. That was very unexpected.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give that. It's like I disliked that, but I liked it at the same time. Now, what score are you gonna give it?
0.
0.
Way too sour than my popping candy.
I'm gonna say since I loved it and hated it at the same time, I'll give it 2.5. All right, from Tohato, we have mini Amijaga Umashio flavor. Yeah, this sounds interesting. They do look like little waffles, or like waffle fries. So let's enjoy a little waffle thing.
Broken.
Yeah,
Take
waffly.
a tiny bite. Yeah. This is pretty delicious.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I think you like those. What score would you give them?
5.
I like them too. I'll give them a 5. They taste like French fries. All right, next up from Calbee, we have mini Sapporo potato subu vegetable, and this looks like vegetable French fries. French fries are.
Yeah, they kind of look like it.
But will they be? There's a lot of Japanese snacks that look like little French fry things.
Yeah. Oh.
Where's it go?
I give it a 5.
I'm gonna give it a 1. It tastes alright, but the texture is very styrofoam. Alright, from Toyo Nuts, we have honey peanuts. So I'm guessing these are just gonna be like honey roasted peanuts. These are like boiled peanuts. They're like boiled honey flavored boiled peanuts. Sure. You like those. Next up from Taisyo Seika, we have Swiss Baum. It's it looks like it's a hard Swiss roll. Go ahead, take a bite of that. What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I give it a 5.
Very good with coffee. It's really dry, but it's pretty good. I'll give it a 4. I wish it was a little more moist. All right, next from Jinbis, we have Tobacco Dobutsu coconut milk. Got a lion and a dog and a. Here you go. What's that?
Bear.
It says bear.
And it's a shape of
I wish
a bear.
all my food was stamped with names and words.
That one says
Elephant. It was an elephant. Cheers. Have a duck.
Kind of looks like a rubber duck. Oh yeah, it's a rubber duck.
Those are kind of weird. Not a big fan. I'll give that a 2. What do you think? 5.
Yeah.
You must be hungry. Next from Masuya, we have onigiri senbei. I have no idea what this is gonna be. Looks like there's a little. Oh, looks like there's a maze on the front.
Yeah, that we could probably do. We don't want to cut off the maze.
No, I won't cut the maze. Ah, there's two of them. You like those?
Hi, Papa.
Cheers.
George. It almost got my wiggly tooth out.
Ooh, your wiggly tooth. It's basically a big rice cracker. Well, what do you think? No, I like it too. I'm giving that a 5. I usually don't like rice crackers when they have the glossy covering. That one's mellower and it's tastier. So yeah, that gets a big 5.
Because I still like them.
And next from Yaukin, we have roll cake buttercream flavor. Ooh, roll cake. What could it be like? A rolling cake.
Rolling click cake.
Yeah.
I almost
Whoa.
said rolling clay.
We will snip it. Grab it. Roll cake butter. Cheers. Mmm. That's good.
For a second, I was like, and then I was like, mmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would you score that? A 5. Yeah, I'll give it a 5 too. That's super nummy, yo. And now for another one from our friends over at Yaukin, we have apple soda gummy. And you don't like gummy, but maybe the folks at Yaukin have made a gummy that you will not be able to say no to. Oh.
I hope they make it a good. I hope they made it a good.
Get it, grab
Get
it, grab it. There. Mmm.
That's like a little drama.
A lot of sugar. Cheers. No?
No, but I do like the sugar.
Okay. I give it a 5. That's like really freaking good. That is super good. It's not so gummy that it's like chewing on rubber. It's nice and it's like a soft gummy with a bunch of sugar bits on it. That's awesome. What do you think?
I'm gonna give it a 4
A 4?
for this.
There's the
this,
sugar
For
and the
the
flavor.
sugar, I'm going to give it a 5, but the gummy, I'm going to give it like a 1.
So between 1 and 5 is you're looking at a 3 overall. All right. Okay. Next up from Kinjo, we have Petite Pudding Jelly Custard flavor. There we are. What do you think? I'm giving that a 5.
Yeah,
My turn.
because it tastes like a little cake.
It tastes like custard, and it's just kind of difficult. I'll give that a 1. It's more trouble than it's worth. And another one from Yaukin. This is an Umaibo sugar rusk. And these Umaibo things are weird. They're kind of like a single long tubular Cheeto.
Yeah.
And our program is being disrupted, as you may be able to hear. Look at that.
I think a dog is barking.
Here you go, take a bite. Yeah, by a dog. Somebody's noisy freaking dog.
I love it, and I give it a 5.
Okay. Tastes kind of like sweet corn.
Yeah.
It's odd.
It's floating my boat.
Yeah, that's good. I don't know about my boat. My boat is kind of like taking on water a little bit. I'll give that a 2. I like the ones that have like spicy flavor and really strong things like tonkatsu, and I've had like mayonnaise pizza ones that are really weird. This one's pretty tame. I mean, it's not bad, but yeah, not my favorite. Next up from Marukawa Seika, we have Aihiko Gum. Gum, folks.
A hiccup?
That's what it says.
That's a weird name.
Maybe that's what little penguin guy means. Maybe it's minty gum.
Oh.
See, that's where my brain goes, is maybe if it's got a penguin on it, they're calling it like from an icy area. And in an icy area, it's cold and refreshing like mint. I'm going to bet you that's the deal.
DB.
All right. Cheers. What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you like about it?
I like the chewiness,
Yeah?
and it's kind of a little soft.
What about the flavor?
Mint.
That's not mint. No, that's like blue raspberry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Score.
Hmm.
Score.
Hmm.
Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you kind of like it?
I kind of like it.
2.5, 3?
2.5.
All right. I will give it a 1. I don't know. It's like it's the gum that makes me eat it no matter what. It's really soft. It's kind of cold. It's weird. It's really weird. I'm going to give it a 1. Yeah, 1. Next up, Hiroshima lemon jelly, and this is from Ace. And I'm glad we have a bowl for this.
That splashed it a little bit.
No, it's not surprising.
Yeah.
There you go.
Little water.
Yeah, there you go. Another difficult Japanese confection. Corner it.
I do not like it.
You don't like it? Oh.
No.
That is a stupid foodstuff. 0, 0, 0. Score?
0, 0, 0.
Yeah, cool haul this month. A lot of tasty stuff. If you want to get one of these boxes, head on over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. So I don't know if they're going to. I just sent an email the other day, but they also have stationery boxes, and Mimi here is all into stickers and doing little cards and notes and stuff. So I hit them up to see if maybe they'd want to start sending us those too, in addition to these. And they have been sending the ramen boxes for, gosh, I want to say like at least 5 years. So we'll see. All right, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your snacks.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.